We'll guide you through how to fix blank white app icons on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. App icons missing can be a frustrating problem, as it doesn't go and look how it should. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and get the app icons back to normal. So for the first solution, you need to go and tap and hold your finger in some blank space. I'll go and do it down here. Your apps will start shaking and have the lines. Go and press edit in the top left, and you want to go and press customize. Then what you can try doing is pressing the icon in the top right of the customize section and press it again, and sometimes just changing it will go and get it back to normal. If it still doesn't work, try doing a restart by pressing the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Keep it held down, surely it will go black. As you can see, keep it held down until you go and see the Apple icon, then you can release, and that's going to go and start again. Hopefully it's now resolved.